Napdeng ka jingmi ki Jingdawa na ka Garoland Statehood Movement Committee GSMC but nangrim gimen achik dol NED but kiwe ki kenhon na ka sarkar jala badeban platno ya Ngut ki noilam Seng bahalang bakentup yo balkarin CH Marak acting chairman ka GSMC but Johnny A Marak noilam ka Seng achik but kiwe pat ki bala syakam na ka jingya ki badangshan na kalyang menteri rangba ka jala ukonrat ki sangma ula pentem ba dan jing tip halor ka ni. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor ha kanok pai sngi jong ka khat khandai trik leber araja arpunrio umentri rangba ka jalla ukonrat ke sangma hadin ka jingwan yakran bat ulat ka jalla ulaong ha ka be dei ba ka jing syakem kri ka kamram jong ki Pyllait bat kin pendap yala ka kamram kat kom ki sakhi bal yotlom na lor ki kendon an Nolol kita ulaong rubo dan jing tip ba Katno Ngut bat Mano kita ki bala syakem bat kumta ula benshat yakani ka kam how SP ka West Garo Hills district.
Regarding the arrest, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all have been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs, but those details are not there.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya